Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Moi ça va très bien, merci. Il fait beau soleil dehors, beautiful sunny day. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Anana. Today's lesson we're going to learn how to say, read and write sentences in French. Oh, wow, but you say Madame? I don't know how to write sentences, how to read sentences, how to say sentences. Well, you are in the right place, my friends, because today's lesson is going to be all about la phrase. Phrase is the French word for a sentence. Before we begin, let's welcome Anana into our class. Can you say bonjour, Anana, in a nice loud voice? Bonjour, Anana. Ooh, la voici. Ah, and she's saying bonjour to you. Anana, are you scared about learning about sentences? We? No, don't be. It's a lot of fun. You'll see. We are going to go just one step at a time. Alors, les amis, on va commencer par choisir une couleur. Can you repeat the colors? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Would you like to pick the color today? Tu veux choisir la couleur? Oui, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, bleu, d'accord, c'est le bleu aujourd'hui. Très bien. So you're watching French with Anana, and this is lesson 4.11, O sound. Leçon 4.11, son O. Yes, my friends, let's begin. On va commencer. Oh, wow. Do you remember the name of this beautiful flower? Rose. That's the name. Rose. Oui. Now, when we write a sentence, we have to add some words. So, Madame has added some words at the beginning of this sentence. The beginning, right here, is the start of your sentence. So, the French word for sentence is phrase, and the start is au début. So, we are just at the start of the sentence. So, right here is two little words connected by an apostrophe, and these words, je and a. J'ai, can you say j'ai? J'ai means I have. Now, what I'm trying to say is I have une rose. So, before we continue, everything that you talk about in the French language has a gender. So, it's either masculine or feminine. Masculin ou féminin. So, to get a clue, you go before the word and you see this little word, une. Une has an e at the end. That means it is feminine. So that's our clue that rose is feminine. So we're going to say une rose. Can you repeat that? Une rose. So because it's feminine, does that mean that the flower is a girl? No. It means that the name of the flower is feminine. So here we go. Let's say the whole sentence together. Toute la phrase. J'ai une rose. Can you say that? J'ai une rose. Do you know what the sentence means? I have a rose. Bravo! Oh, what a great start, les amis. What a great start. Oh, look at this. I see. Oh, do you remember the word, the French word for coconuts? Noix de coco. And we can see here in the image that there's a whole bunch of them. So when there's lots, we say des. So des noix de coco. So the sentence sounds like this. J'ai des noix de coco. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? Did you have a question? Une question pour madame? Qu'est-ce que c'est? She would like to know what happens when you have only one coconut. noix de coco. Well, then we have to figure out, is it masculin ou féminin? So if we look over here, here's our clue. We see the e, we know it's féminin. So une noix de coco. Now let's say the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. J'ai une noix de coco. Can you say that? J'ai une noix de coco. Do you remember what it means? I have a coconut. Bravo! Anana, was that difficult? No, a little bit? She's thinking about it. What do you think? No, not difficult at all. Are you having fun? Oui, she's having fun. I hope you're having fun. Here's our next one. Oh, do you remember the word for this toy? Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Can you tell me, is yo-yo a masculine or a feminine word? Est-ce que c'est masculin ou féminin? Regarde ici. We don't see an E, so it's un yo-yo. It is masculin. Un yo-yo. Un yo-yo. On va dire toute la phrase au complet. J'ai un yo-yo. Encore. J'ai un yo-yo. And do you know what that sentence means? I have a yo-yo. Bravo! Anana, is it getting easier? Oui? C'est bien, on continue. Oh, oui. That's the whole world, Anana. Do you remember the name of this object? Globe. Can you say globe? Can you tell me if globe is masculine or feminine? Is it masculin ou féminin? So remember, look over here. Il n'y a pas de E, alors c'est un globe. Can you say that? Un globe. Now let's say the whole thing, the whole sentence. Toute la phrase au complet. J'ai un globe. Can you say that? J'ai un globe. Bravo! Doing a great job. Oh, ananas. Delicious. Do you remember what the name for this treat is? Chocolat. You are correct if you said chocolat. Now, I can see there's lots here of pieces, so we will say du chocolat. J'ai du chocolat. I have some chocolate. What's that, Anana? Qu'est-ce que c'est? So she's saying, what happens if you only have one piece of chocolate? Un chocolat. So we need to figure out, is chocolat masculine or feminine? So we look over here. What did you guess? Masculin. You are correct. Un chocolat. Chocolat is masculin. So let's read the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. J'ai un chocolat. Encore. J'ai un chocolat. Bravo! You are doing a great job. Oh, une question pour madame. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, Anana, on va regarder dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac, Anana? Oh, mon sac. Voici mon sac. Alors, Anana, tu vas mettre ta main dans le sac. On va mettre la main dans le sac. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est petit. Very small. Petit, 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 petit. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, c'est un œuf. On va ouvrir. Regarde, Anana. Ici, on va ouvrir comme ça. Regarde. Oh, oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? On va ouvrir. Oh, can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? Oh, 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 Smells delicious. C'est un œuf en chocolat. Ah, un œuf en chocolat. That's going to be your snack today. Sa collation. Un œuf en chocolat. My friends, did you have a fun time today? Oui? How do you say see you next time? À la prochaine. À la prochaine, madame. À la prochaine, Anana. À la prochaine, les amis.